you're training.
You are not allowed to enter inside.
Training.
How many people want to enter? And you talk to him.
You talk to him. You can talk to him.
After this, let's
So you're going to push me really to beat and kill me because I'm a pressure patient. I have warned you at least.
Yeah, but that's even what you have done, you.
Push me.
I'm not pushing you.
Get a court order to push me around, not arrest me. Monteri. Do that, make sure the video is on. We have ready. Address you. I'm not saying what they have. You're following me. You're following me. You're following me. You're following me. Give me.
Kwate simu.
Hey.
Mutwali. Ai.
Give me my money. Don't do that. No. You have this. Take my money.
Do the fight.
Take my money.
Fight
Give
on.
me my money. Take my money. Take my money. Take my money. Take my money. You want to take my money. You want to take my money.
Wait, kwa sababu
You can't torture me. 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 You can't torture me.
mskure.
That's if you want, you grab me. But you're not telling my money.
You're beating me. You're beating me. It's for the government. Is it supposed to torture me? Is it supposed to
Tumtuyamba ni mnyangu.
Is the gun supposed to torture me? Is the gun supposed to torture me? And why are you using it to torture me?
Sarah, hold the woman. Take my money. You, is it what? Take my money.
You can't know it.
Take my money. Why?
Nituba kama wewe hujanyumara. Mwenda tumtira. Ni batu yambe to muronde motoka tumtwala atukoreki. Muronde motoka tumute mtu mtwala atiko tugiye.
I don't go. Do that door. Mureke motoka bamutwala. Hatokunu muntu tuweze kugenda. Chemotoka.
Numuntu wabine motoka.
Hati motoka bazine. Hati tujyanye ngabi. Ande tolenjuze. Notera basirikare. Ntere bishani. Hatokunu muntu kigenda.
Ati mwena tukoreki.
Yabayongera chibangu polisi yamugira ngo andeke. Yabayongera polisi yamugira. No.
Nakitukuri. Twaje barete motoka tumunaga mu baseke bamutwaye kazuba maze kumusu. Mbaga tubakwenda mu.
Bakabaire kan boba. Duda come and cover me. Daisy come and cover me.
Let him
go from here. The kid is fighting. You don't know what this kid is doing. You leave it. No, but